This hidden PC tip will make your computer run smoother. On your keyboard, press the Windows +R button. This command will display the Run dialog box. Are you new to this channel? Hit that subscribe button now. Thanks if you've done so. Clear any text you see here. Now type this command. It's on screen. After typing, click on OK. This opens System Properties box. Click on Advance. Click on Settings. Now select Adjust for best performance. Click on Apply, and next OK. Click OK again. Now next, Step 2. Windows key +R. Check description below for recommended videos. And please subscribe, comment your thought, and share video. Now type. Text is on screen. Click on OK after typing. Click on the Boot tab. Click on Advanced Options. Here you are about to increase your processor. Click on Numbers of Processor. Click on the number 1. Here you can increase your processor to increase speed on your computer. I selected 4, but I will recommend you select 3 if yours is also up to 4. If it's 2, then select the 2. Click OK. Click Apply. Click OK again. Click on Restart so as to effect changes. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share video.